Hi guys, I hope you can hear me and see my screen. If you can do that, then press one into the chat box quickly. So most probably everyone can hear me. And let me start and ask you, do you have any doubts to the previous session that we had yesterday? And any question? Otherwise, we can go ahead, press two into the chat box if you don't have any question, anything you want to ask. Okay. So no one has any doubt. So let's go ahead. So we have talked about the algorithm, and now we have to set up the Google AdWords account. So for doing that, I need a favor from one of you uh, that you will help me by giving your email ID and password personally on the chat, and I will tell you how to create an account because every single ID of mine has already has an Google AdWords account by giving trials to everyone. So I don't have any one of you can just send me in the chat their email ID and password, which is of Gmail. Okay, and along with that, I will give you a 2000 rupees coupon to each one of you to use Google AdWords, and that's all. Today we will learn primarily two things. One is setting up an Google AdWords account, and second is how to do keyword research. And if we get a time, we will also create the campaign and learn the campaign settings as well. This is the agenda for today. So let me go ahead. First of all, how to create an account. So what you have to, you can type Google AdWords, googleads.com directly in Google search and you can reach that. But I will use a different method of searching it. So I will search Google Ads 2000 coupon. Okay, this is how you get a coupon from them. So this is a deal they are giving. Click on that. Okay. And one more thing, in case you have your friend, family somewhere, someone in US, you can get $150 ad coupon as well. Okay, in US. If your friend and family is there, then go ahead and ask them to create the Google Ads account and they will create it for you and you can use it here also. But just the creation part should be happen in US and you will get a $150 uh, coupon over there. That means around 10,000, 12,000 rupees. Okay, so let's go ahead and you need a credit card for that as well. So next is click on that. Okay. Rajiv says, can we use VPN for the same? You can try, but most of the times Google figure out that this is a VPN and they don't allow you to create that. Okay, somebody can quickly send me the email ID. Any one of you, one-to-one message, not to everyone, so that everyone doesn't know your email ID and password. Just one-to-one, quickly someone send me his or her email ID. Okay, I got one email ID, so rest of you can please don't send it to me, and you do along with me. Okay, don't wait that I complete and give you a time. You do along with me that when I search, you search it. When I put email ID, you put it and do it. Okay, except you there because I am using your email ID. Or you can use if you have other Gmail ID as well. So you have to just put your email ID over here and say I am not a robot, which Google wants to always check. And then it says get started. Click on get started. You will receive a coupon on your email. Okay. Then I'm logging into some other account. In my case, this is an extra step which is happening, which not happen in your case because you will have only one Google Ads account. not like me who has like numerous add account. So it is asking for add a new account. So I clicked on it. You want to create a new account? Yes, I want to create a new account. Clicked on it. And then, oh, it is taking me to the same thing. Uh, Give me a second. Let me do it in incognito window so that your process and my process remains the same. Okay, so you will search Google Ads 2000 rupees coupon. Then you will come on it, click on deal a link. Okay, then it will uh, ask you to get started. Click on get started, then enter the email ID, then the password. Okay, if you have already logged in, then it is fine. Then because I'm using Uday's email ID, so it is asking me for verification. So there you do it, a verification for me. Just tap on number 67. Let me resend the notification. You have to tap on number 80. Quickly, it expires in every 15-20 seconds. I believe you have done it, and now it allows me to open that. And when I'm talking about the coupon, I'm just opening Uday. I hope you don't mind. Uh, Let me pause the screen and open your Gmail account and just show the pass. Uh, okay. So I have logged in into his account, and you can see a coupon is already sent to her. You will put that coupon into your AdWords account and you will get a 2000 rupees credit. But the only condition with this credit is first you will spend 2000 rupees from your account on Google AdWords, and in the next month Google will give you another 2000 rupees. Okay, so it's actually not a direct 2000 rupees. Otherwise, everyone will start creating new and new accounts and then use these 2000 rupees. But what Google earlier it used to happen, and I have created numerous accounts, like almost 8000 accounts I have created in 2014-15 when I don't used to charge my clients any amount on running Google AdWords campaign. I asked them, if you want to run a 10,000 coupon, 10,000 rupees campaign, give me 10,000 rupees. I don't need your credit card, anything, and I will not charge you any. And I will send you a report as well of those 10,000 rupees. And I create 5 accounts and used to make money out of it. Although it's a very dirty trick I used to, but it's now no more in use. Okay, so you have to put that credit into the account. Okay, after that, you will be reached into this screen. So everyone has reached to this screen, guys. Everyone has the same screen. Those who are creating for the first account, for the first time. So Danshu says yes. Rajiv says yes. Shivam says Uday. So Ranjana, no, my screen is something else. Ranjana, apart from Ranjana, anyone else? Yeah, I will share. I will allow you. Give me a couple of minutes. I will allow you to share the screen. Others, quickly respond, guys. Those who have joined late, sorry, but I can't help it. Beyond a point. Rest of the yes or no, at least type quickly, guys. Shiva says, those who have joined, just press one then. Or one thing you can do is you can use both the devices, your phone device as well as your system. You can see all the activities on your phone and you can perform all the activities on your laptop. So that way also you can do it. Aditya says, do I have to click on the link in the coupon email? No, you don't have to. You have to just again go on that page and log in. That's it. Okay, so I will allow Ranjana to share her screen. Ranjana, go ahead and share your screen, please. Yeah, Ranjana, why you are getting this screen? Because maybe you have earlier created the account. Okay, that's why you are getting this screen. So what you have to click, you have to do is your account. If you look at the URL, it's ads.google.com/AW Express. Okay, this is a Google Ad Express account. There is a normal account. So if you click on tools, can you click on tools and settings over here? Next to search, yeah. Okay. Uh, it doesn't show an option. Go back to an export account. It's not showing an option to go back to that account. Can you click on this bell icon? Bell icon, if it allows you. Just click on that. Can you click on the three lines which is on top left hand side? Yeah, navigation bar. You are not getting an option. Let you and me connected in the break during the training, and I will try to help you up. You can send me your login credentials, which you can change it later on. Okay. Because generally the option comes into tools and settings revert to that account, but here it is not coming. So